eat papaya, right?
About to find out. Be allergic. Blood is not one of the options, but we did take balsamic vinegar out. Okay. Ready? Howdy everyone, and welcome to another video with us. The person that never speaks. Say something.
Hello.
Wow, you heard it, she speaks. This week, a random silly one that pretty much since I started this I've wanted to do, and we've never quite got round to doing it. We have an assortment of things on the table, which I can't move because the microphone's going to go and get knocked all over the place. But we have blender. We're going to do the smoothie challenge. Basically, we have a spinning wheel and we're going to hit spin, and there's a massive selection of ingredients on the table, and where it stops, that goes in Tora's one, and then my one, then Tora's, then mine, and then we'll blend it.
We don't have to use all the ingredients.
We don't have to use all the ingredients, we only need a selection. How many are we doing? I was saying 6.
Okay.
Yeah? You
Okay.
want more?
No, 6 is okay.
Plus there's a juice or liquid base, which is juice, milk and tea. Right, so yes, there we go. The smoothie challenge.
Few moments later.
Okay, so we have a spinning wheel. Do you want to do it first? You go first? Click. And it is bourbon shot. You get the bourbon shot straight off. Let's start as we need to go on. Dog hair. Dog hair in everything, no matter what it is. 1 shot of Firebrand Tennessee. Okay. My turn, and I get. It's a better option. A spoonful of honey. Don't know how much of this you can see on the screen, but.
Wouldn't be able to see any, because all of this is blocking camera.
Honey, done. Your turn. Balsamic vinegar.
Oh, we took the vinegar out.
We took the vinegar out. Spin again. Banana. Now watching Tora not be able to open a banana.
Just taking the
Doesn't matter, it can be mushed up. Don't just tear it and throw it in
I
there.
don't want the dead bit. I don't want
It's going to get destroyed in the blender in a minute. Okay, my turn. Papaya.
Stop putting me under pressure. This is where I cut myself if you don't shut up. You can eat papaya, right?
About to find out. Be allergic.
No, I don't like that you're allergic. Shouldn't be.
It makes you warm.
2 3 0 go.
So far, if I'm going red, same colour of the wall, leave a comment down below saying, you're going red. I think I might know by now, but,
Okay.
well, I feel hot. Right. Okay. So let's go. We have garlic puree. Ooh. Now the question is how much? You like garlic?
Mm-mm.
I'm going to stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop! No, enough! Why you're having an entire cup full of soy sauce.
You're going to guarantee you get soy milk.
was like, yours is going to be substance and mine is just, oh.
Soy sauce. 1 tablespoon.
No.
Tablespoon.
Tiny drizzle.
No, you got to.
Yeah, fine. Mine is not going to be a smoothie, mine's just going to be liquid.
You get Tabasco sauce in a minute. I got the Tabasco, yeah. Okay, ready?
Shot, banana, garlic, soy. 4.
4.
2 more.
2 more. And then chocolate. 1 cube, like that. Enough?
Mm-hmm.
You should have broken.
Mine's purely liquid anyway.
Yeah.
Yours is actually going to be a smoothie. Mine's just going to be some like liquid.
Okay. I've got.
Yeah, yours kind of sounds nice. It's like a Mary but broccoli flavoured.
That's better than celery. Right.
Tomato.
Yeah. Cool. Not all that.
Yeah.
Not all that. Your last one. Yogurt. You get a choice. You can have banana, strawberry, or peach pear.
What's going to make it taste good, whatever.
Go on then. Turn it upside down, squeeze it. Upside down, squeeze it.
Did you have soy sauce or did I have soy sauce? I had soy sauce, didn't
Yeah. This is my last one.
So it's the cockroaches.
It's very crackery. I think I'm a bit soggy. So, that's it. Right. Liquid. Yes. Soya milk. That's liquid. I'm even stop.
Stop.
A little bit more than that.
No, because that's like pure liquid, it's not smoothie.
Okay, I've got choice of tea or tropical juice, and I guarantee I get the tea because I don't like green tea. Juice. Where to? Ready? Mine hasn't moved. Mine's clumped.
It's because you had quite thick things though.
Yeah.
You had
Do I need to take my juice?
No.
Mmm. Still smells of banana. Mine's like, I need juice in there for it to move.
Oh, that was as well right.
No. Cheers.
Okay, and you have to drink a sip, right?
Well, an amount of it. Try it. One tip. Spicy. Wow, that's spicy. It's got no flavour other than Tabasco sauce. Come on, that's what you got to have a big mouthful.
Oh.
Want to try?
It tastes like solid yogurt.
Tip.
It
There's
doesn't taste
no
like anything.
flavour. That is a weird taste. Go on. One more mouthful. Do you want to mix them together?
Oh. Oh no, that doesn't make it better. Oh.
Cheers. Oh god, that is so so cinnamony. Oh, it's like just drinking liquid cinnamon. As you can tell, we bought this and we've never drunk it because it just tastes like cinnamon. I think we should do the smoothie out of the stuff we didn't use. Green tea and ice cream. We'll do a separate video.
No, same video, but like this is the redo, but like the decent stuff.
That. So basically, that was disgusting, and
I'll make what I would usually make, and he'll make what he usually makes, and
then we'll blend it. We might actually have something. We can
we should probably try each other's.
Yeah, and then be disgusted by it.
And then give it back to the person who made it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so
What do you want?
I will have a banana. You will have a papaya.
I'll also probably have a koala.
A koala.
Banana.
That's me. Poor koala. Blended koala. Who's vegetarian? I will also. I'm basically going to make a milkshake.
Right. I'm going to make a fruit juice.
I don't know what flavour I've got. I've got yogurt.
Strawberry.
Whoops.
Including
the carton. Yeah.
Ah.
What are you doing?
Trying to chop.
Never seen someone so inept with a knife. Let me do it. Don't ever get her to cut bread.
Do you want papaya?
Yeah.
No. Do you want that? Half? Hmm? That was the stalk.
That's fine. Add texture.
Do you want kiwi or?
Have a little bit.
Do you want?
Yeah. There you go.
No.
Let's defrost it. Some berries. I'm tempted to really chop them.
Honey?
Okay, I had honey.
No, I meant do you want to lick the spoon?
Oh. And you're having green tea. Once again, you wonderful noises of my neighbours.
You put far too much liquid in.
It's milkshake.
Oh.
Right, is that it?
Yeah.
Well, there we go.
Oh, it's the same colour.
Because we've got the berries in them.
Ah.
So, two smoothies, completely different flavourings, and banana.
Mine doesn't taste of anything.
It doesn't taste a lot. There's not a lot of flavour.
It just tastes like yogurt.
Yogurt and banana. There is no flavour in that whatsoever. Weird. Doesn't really have much of a flavour. Well, there we go. One smoothie challenge complete. And yeah, that was disgusting. We have a dog. She makes an appearance and drinks my drink. One smoothie challenge, as previously done by the Merrills and now done by us.
Mine's got pickles. Ready?
If you ever watch the Merrill twins, Ronnie just spends the entire time at second.
Ooh, stop.
It was gross. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell us if you tried the smoothie challenge and what you came up with, what mixtures, randomness, and I hope you like it. Come back next time for more in London, being creative. That's what we do here. And until then, we have the dog drinking smoothie. And yes, we'll see you again soon. Bye. This way. Another one?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes, no is the same word. Tora and I. There's a dog down here, we're not just talking to her feet.
I put a marker so you wouldn't go past it and you just keep on moving the marker.
We're doing 6 ingredients. Ingredients.
Ingredients?
Ingredients.
Dog! Nice fish. Oh, why? So long hair. I meant you wanted to lick the spoon.
Oh, I thought you were calling me honey. if you want to follow along to our recipe of smoothie challenge, you're an idiot. Yeah.
The
Try it
clock
again.
is wrong.
What? The clock is wrong.
Never mind, it's not.
Clock on the wall was hands and things. Once again, can't work it out.